Hello everybody, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel, and here is MCQ series for IAS from the static portion as well as from the Hindu and the Indian Express newspaper also. So the question number 1. He was a commander in Maharaja Ranjit Singh Force, remainder governor of Kashmir. Sorry. Kashmir, Hazara and Peshawar tamed the forces in Afghanistan and earned the reputation of the most feared Sikh warrior. So he was Hari Singh Nalwa. Option number 4. The next question is, consider the following statements. As per the Environment Impact Assessment Notification, it shortens the period of public consultation hearing to a maximum number of 40 days. It allows the uh, declaration of some areas as economically sensitive areas without a public hearing. So which of the above statements are correct? So option number C is correct, both 1 and 2. So the next question is, consider the following statements. No permission required for operating drones in green zones. No restriction on foreign ownership in Indian drone companies. Coverage of drones increased from 300 to 500 kg. So which of the above statements are correct about the Indian drone rules? So the option number 4, all of the above. The next question is, consider the following activities. Spraying pesticide on a crop field, inspecting the crater of an active volcanoes, collecting breath sample from spouting whales for DNA analysis. So which of the above activities can be successfully carried out using the drones? So option number D is correct, 1, 2 and 3. So the next question is, consider the following statements about the GMCP. So this infrastructure project is the largest ever by India in the Maldives. This project is funded by the World Bank in collaboration with India. So which of the above statements are correct? Option number A is correct. So the next question is, consider the following statements. The quadrilateral security dialogue is a military alliances between United States, Japan, Australia and India. The Malabar exercise is a naval exercise involving US, United States, Japan and India as a permanent partner. So which of the above statements are correct? So option number B is correct. The next question is, with reference to LIDAR, consider the following statements. It is based on the use of radio waves. It can be used to make digital 3D representation of areas on the Earth's surface and ocean bottoms. It can help to find where to apply costly fertilizers. So which of the above statements are correct? The correct statement is B only. And the next question is, consider following volcanoes versus location. So you can see all the volcanoes. The name of volcanoes are so hard that I am not able to speak them. So you can see from here and choose the correct options. So option number A is correct, 1 and 2 only. The next question is, arrange the following hill range in the direction of north to south. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. That starting from the Ramgarh, then Nayagarh, then Nallamalla, then Javadi Hills. The next question is, consider the following pairs. Wildlife sanctuary found in. So Hangal, Kaibul, feral horses, Kanha, lion-tailed macaw, Silent Valley National Park. So choose the correct option. So correct option is B only. So thank you so much. If you have any questions or any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And it's my humble request for my videos and my YouTube channel as much as you can.